If you're an Amazon affiliate, I'm willing to bet that you have several affiliate links that are currently pointing to products that are no longer available, out of stock, or just straight up 404 erroring. And if you're still sending traffic to these products, consumers will be sent to a dead-end buying experience with a near zero chance of converting. In the affiliate marketing world, we call this concept commission theft. And I don't know about you, but I do not like being stolen from. In order to protect yourself against this, Geniuslink has a feature called Amazon Link Health Monitoring that will automatically alert you in-app or via email anytime that we detect that one of your Genius links is pointing to a product that is out of stock. In this video, I'm going to show you how this feature works inside the Geniuslink app, and then I'll show you the best practices that you should take as an affiliate marketer anytime you are linking to a product that is out of stock. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we are inside of my Geniuslink dashboard, and as we can see, I have 48 Amazon links that are currently pointing to products that are out of stock or no longer available. When you click this notification, it is then going to show you a list of all of these products in the first time that it was detected to be out of stock. If we jump into this first example of the Maris Razor Pro spearfishing fins, as we can see, in this case it was correct. I'm linking to a product that is currently unavailable. So from our audience's perspective, when it comes time to purchase this product, as you can see, they're unable to do so. They may take a look at some of these similar products that are recommended by Amazon or above or below, but these are going to have a drastically lower conversion rate compared to being sent to a direct product. In fact, in some of the European affiliate programs, you'll earn about 1/10 of the commission if a conversion happens this way. So we want to send our audience to the exact product. Here's what you should do. So the first thing that I would do if I identified a product that I was linking to was out of stock on Amazon is I would perform a search on either Google or Amazon and see if there's a new listing for that product by that brand. In this case, we can see Maris has an updated version of the Razor Pro spearfishing full foot fins. I imagine their last version was discontinued, and that's why the listing went down. So what I would do is I would simply just generate in a new affiliate link here and make it a Genius link and insert it back into my content. In this specific example, the fin has a new appearance. So any pictures that we included in our blog post, we'd want to update those and make note of that. If we had a YouTube video, I'd maybe make some edits on the YouTube video after it was published and letting your audience know that there is a new design, and then just simply swap the link. And now you have your audience going to a version of the product that is in stock. So let's pretend for a moment that this scuba diving fin was not going to be on Amazon for the foreseeable future. There was not an alternative listing. What should you do as an affiliate marketer? Here's what I would recommend, is I would search other retailers and see if they have this fin for sale. In this case, scubadiving.com has this fin for sale, and they also have an affiliate program that pays around 40% more than Amazon does for this exact product. So I would generate an affiliate link on scuba.com for this product and then replace it into my content. But you're probably wondering, Austin, what happens if scuba.com goes out of stock? What do I do then? And that's where the power of a choice page comes in. And this is the best practice, in my opinion, for affiliate marketers that are recommending physical product. So before we jump into the live building of a Geniuslink choice page, I want to talk a little bit about them and how they function. So Geniuslink choice pages are a custom landing page that are mobile responsive. They're hosted at a custom URL that allow Geniuslink clients to promote a product and list the different retailers that the product is listed on. And in our testing, we have found this to over double the affiliate commissions that our clients earn. And this comes down to three main reasons. The first is that when you list multiple retailers, it allows your audience to gain the confidence that they need that they are getting the best price. You're allowing them to do price comparison in real time. The second reason why choice pages can create a liftoff in affiliate commissions is because sometimes stores go out of stock, as we saw from this example. So if you list multiple stores, there's going to be a higher percentage chance that one of them is always going to be in stock, allowing your audience to convert. And the third reason is that not all stores are optimized for a given country. If you have an international audience, maybe there's not an Amazon store in their region, or maybe they have a certain retailer that they just love or is optimized for their country. Maybe they have a gift card that they want to use at their store. There can be a whole handful of reasons why somebody does not want to purchase from Amazon. So you should give them that choice. So let's jump into the Geniuslink software. We're going to build a choice page live for these spearfishing fins, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so in order to generate a Geniuslink choice page, head to the home screen, click New, Choice Page, and then Geniuslink is going to ask you first, what would you like to name this URL or this link? And we're just going to, for the purposes of this video, put Maris Razor. We can do fins. This descriptive text helps let your audience know where this link is headed. Next, it's going to ask us for the choice page destinations. Where do we want the links to go? So we're going to make an Amazon affiliate link for the Maris Razor Pro fins. As you can see, the Amazon logo was automatically populated, and then we're also going to grab it for scuba.com. So I got that copied here and paste, and scuba.com is not a supported retailer, so you need to upload your own logo here, which I have saved to my desktop. And boom, there we go. We have a choice page pointing to Amazon scuba.com. If we wanted to include other retailers here, we could, but I'm just going to leave it at 2. And then this information is automatically pulled from Amazon, but I'm just going to chop this part off and just have the title of the product be in that title slot. There's some call to action text if you wanted there. You could add a logo of your own, and then all of these pages come with a affiliate disclosure. And switch between light and dark. I kind of like the light better. And then we are going to click save. And once we do that, we are now left with a completed choice page. As you can see, we have a custom URL with the image of the product, the supported stores, our call to action and title, affiliate disclosure, and this is going to allow our audience to shop from whichever retailer they prefer. Alright everyone, that's all we have for today's video. We learned how to view Geniuslink's Amazon Link Health Report and what to do when you identify an affiliate link that is pointing to an out-of-stock product. We then covered which steps you should take to ensure that you're always pointing to a product that is available. If you're not a Geniuslink client already, I highly encourage you to give us a shot. We have a 14-day free trial and start at $6 a month. We have a ton of features that can easily help you recuperate the small software cost. What we saw in this video, just simply staying on top of your broken Amazon affiliate links and then turning them into choice pages can more than pay for Geniuslink. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.